Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a very popular color. Features also include keyless entry, steering wheel controls, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration. Come test drive the 2019 Insight. 40 miles per gallon, smooth ride, performance, exterior, interior. Honda Insight has it all and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, air conditioning, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering, cruise control, floor mats, aluminum wheels, rear defrost, hands-free communication. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.